Dear buyers, we will show you today how easy to install mini shower bidet faucet you bought from us. In this white box you'll find a shower stick or shower sprayer. You'll find this stick holder, and inside you'll find this spare shower head, so you will need to replace it. You will replace it easy. It's spare one with washer, and you'll find extra connector. We will explain if you will need it. And you will find this adapter with clear hose. Okay, first you have to do unscrew your faucet aerator. Okay, you unscrew your aerator. You have to screw in your connector, which inside this adapter. To take it, pull it out, you have to push down this metal ring and take your connector out. So sometimes it's a little bit hard, so just turn it around a little and pull it out. Okay, next you have to do, you have connect this adapter to your faucet. Make sure you have this black washer inside. Some old faucets have different diameter, but mostly regular faucets have diameter what you have here, but in case you'll have different diameter. So this is original diameter, it's 15-16 inches. If you have old one, 13-16 inches, so you have to connect these guys together and use connector with this diameter, but because we have our regular, we don't need it. Okay, next you have to do, you have to screw in the connector. Okay, you did. Next you have to do, connect your connect your adapter to your aerator. So you have to push this ring down. Don't push too hard so you can destroy it. Just regular push. And just connect it. Okay. Next you have to do take your stick and push inside this clear hole. You can push this blue ring a little bit or push it down a little and push your hole inside. Okay, you did it. Next step, you have to take your holder and place it under the toilet tank lids. Okay. Okay, so ready to use. Okay, turn on your faucet. Right away. And when you want to start to use your sprayer, just pull out a little bit your knob. Don't push too much, just a little, and your sprayer ready to use. You can use it in your sink or your toilet. Just okay. If you want to stop it, just turn off your faucet, and next time you'll use it again, it's going to be the same way. The original way, if you want to use your sticker, just pull out your knob a little bit and ready to use. Enjoy!